Welcome to the 3bestones.com. The following video is about the best folding electric bike. Here are the top 3 folding electric bikes that we have picked to make sure you don't waste your time wandering over the internet. At number 3. Sailnovo electric folding bike. This folding bike is an innovative, compact electric bike that folds up in seconds and comes in a perfect size for urban dwellers. This foldable electric bike can be easily stored away or taken on public transportation, making it a great commuter vehicle. With its powerful 500-watt motor and range of 25 miles per charge, this folding a bike is perfect for traveling long distances. The bicycle is equipped with LED lights and a safety alarm system for increased visibility and protection at night. This bike comes in 2 different colors including black and white and possesses a lithium battery with a range of 30 kilometers. At number 2. Xian electric folding bike. This folding bike is a lightweight, compact electric bike that fits in the trunk of the car and charges quickly for a long, distinct riding experience. It has the capability to fit under a desk or in a closet and comes with 8-speed Shimano tourney gears, front and rear derailleurs, and an alloy crankset. Each bike has a 250-watt brushless motor that can go up to 25 miles per hour for the rider's convenience. It has an aluminum frame and weighs just over 30 pounds and comes in different colors including black, blue, green, and red. This bike possesses airless tires that do not get punctured or go flat, ensuring a continuous and halt-free ride. At number 1. GoTrax folding electric bike. This mobile accessory is a lightweight, pedal-assisted bike that folds in half for easy storage and provides space efficiency. Its features include transit for 20 miles on a single charge, a range of 15 miles per hour, and possesses a 250W motor and an LCD display. The LCD displays battery life, speed, and distance traveled that aids in managing an athletic body and efficient usage of the bike. The bicycle contains 3 levels of pedal assist that can sustain a weight of 300 pounds with its detachable front wheel, that helps in converting this versatile bike into a regular one. This product comes with a 1-year warranty and is available in 3 different colors including black, white/gray, and red/black. For more details, click on the link given in the description below, and thanks for watching our video. If you are new here, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon.